Today, I'm going to show you how to create a beautiful website or online store with Xpress Site. And the cool thing is, you can do it right from your phone in just 10 minutes. So, let's jump right in. To start, just tap the blue Get Started button you see here. Xpress Site is designed as an easy, budget-friendly option, with plans starting at only 99 rupees a month. Pick whatever plan works best for you and go from there. I'm choosing the 99 rupees per month plan for now. You can pay using UPI if that's easiest. You also have the option to pay with a credit or debit card, or if you prefer, you can use net banking to finish up your payment. Once your payment goes through, you'll see a site creation wizard pop up. There are a few steps to follow, and the first one just asks for some basic info about your business. Let's say we're setting up an online clothing shop. I'll walk you through how to build it. Next, the wizard will ask if your business already has a website. If it does, you can put the link here so it can use that as a reference. If you don't have a site yet, just choose I want to start fresh. At this point, you'll need to enter your business details. The system will use this info to get things set up just right. After you finish those steps, the AI will suggest a list of pages for your site based on the info you gave. These are the pages it thinks you'll need. If there are any pages you don't want, just uncheck them. You can also select any extras you might need. Since we're making an online store, make sure to check that option. Now, you'll be asked for a few more business details, like your address. This will show up on your website, so be sure to fill it in. Next up are your contact details. They'll also be shown on your site. Double-check your business hours too, and make any updates if you need. Once you're done, just finish up and the AI will build your site. That's it. Your site's live. You'll get a link you can share with anyone, anywhere in the world. Now your website's out there for everyone to see. Let's check it out. In just about 10 minutes, you've got a fully working e-commerce site. You can start customizing now, like swapping out images and logos. All of that's easy to do with the Xpress Site app. Thanks for tuning in.